So good day everyone, my name is CJ City and today I want to talk about something that is at the heart of every relationship, every business and every successful endeavor: communication. Communication, it is the bridge that connects people, ideas and opportunities. Without it, misunderstanding arise, conflicts emerge and progress stalls. Communication is not just about speaking. It is about understanding. It is about listening actively, expressing ourselves clearly, and responding thoughtfully. In our daily lives, whether we are at work, in school, or with family and friends, the way we communicate shape our interactions and determines the outcomes. Think about a time when a simple misunderstanding caused a problem. More often than not, it wasn't the word themselves but how they were said or how they were not said that made the difference. That's why effective communication requires more than just words. It involves tone, body language, and empathy. In today's digital world, communication has become both easier and more complicated. We can send a message in seconds, yet we sometimes struggle to truly connect. That's why it's important to balance technology with real conversation, ensuring that our message are not only heard but felt and understood. So how can we improve our communication? First, listen more than you speak. Communication is a two-way street. Listening helps us understand before we respond. 2. Be clear and concise. Say what you mean and mean what you say. Confusion leads to misinterpretation. Number 3. Use body language wisely. A smile, eye contact, and open posture can make all the difference. 4. Practice empathy. Try to understand the feelings behind the words. People remember how you made them feel more than what you said. 5. Choose the right medium. Some conversation deserve more than text or an email. Great communicators are not just great talkers. They are great listeners, thinkers, and connectors. If we can master the art of communication, we can build stronger relationships, resolve conflicts more effectively, and create a world where an understanding leads to unity and progress. So let's make an effort today and every day to communicate better, clearer, and with more heart. Thank you.